First, select Outlook and add a new campaign. Input your campaign name and the number of accounts, then click Next. You can import proxies here. We recommend that one account with one proxy. All data can be empty. Software will randomly choose one to use if needed. Then, choose the way to use usernames. Type 2 here since we're gonna create Outlook accounts. You must fill in the self-email table if you've typed 1 in the previous option, and fill in the username table if you've typed other numbers in the previous option. You can input usernames manually or import from a file. Usually, if you are using each good quality IP to register around several accounts, Outlook won't require mobile phone verification. So usually you can skip the rest steps till the Enable IMAP POP step. If you wanna enable IMAP and POP, just skip this option without doing anything. We recommend you to use the 2 CAPTCHA service which can auto-solve the CAPTCHA. After that, click Finish. Then, click Start to run the program. You can run twice or more by changing the first option. If you need to run the program at a certain time, try the second option. The third option is Loop Run. It means the bot will run automatically to register all the failed accounts again after it finished the task of registering all the accounts. The default interval time is 0, we recommend you just leave it to be 0 here. So the bot will register the previous failed accounts immediately after the previous task finished. But of course, you also can set the time interval according to your needs. You can click Settings to set the number of threads and then click Start. Keep it running and wait a moment. You can click Open Account File to show registration results in the end. Enjoy your new Outlook accounts.